Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. So in this video, I will describe about a IoT based agrivoltaic energy generation system, and in this system we have included different types of components. So in the system is the main switch of our battery, and when we will turn on this switch, our all sensors and modules will be get the power supply from this part. And in this system we have included a buck converter that will produce 5-volt DC output, and this 5-volt DC output will be supplied to this connector, and this 5-volt will be distributed for our all sensors and modules. And in this system you see here that we included here a node MCU. This node MCU will be read our all sensors value like DHT11. It will provide temperature and humidity value of our natural temperature, and this is a soil moisture sensor that will read moisture value of our soil. And in this system we have included one ultrasonic sensor also that seated here in this part, and it will detect the water level of this plant. And in this system we included here or designed here a pond that will be store water for supply to this plant area. And in this system we have included a inverter system that will provide AC output from this DC voltage. So we will check one by one. You see here that its soil value is 555. It's dry mode, that's why our system is showing dry. And now we will remove this one from our water, so it also dry. But if our moisture value will be more than 850, at that moment our water pump of this pond will be turned on, cause at that time we need water in our plant. And when it will get water, at that moment our water pump will be turned off if this value is lower than 850, and then our total operation will be controlled automatically by using this soil moisture sensor. So its pump is on now. Again we insert this moisture sensor in water, and our water pump is off now. And now we will check our ultrasonic sensor part. You see here that our water level is showing here, it's 6 centimeter distance, and if we make it lower distance, at that moment one water pump of this plant will be turned on to out this water from this plant area to this water pond. So you see here that our distance of water level is changing here, and here temperature and humidity is read from this DHT11, and this total value or readings will be sent to our Blink IoT platform. It's our Blink IoT, and that showing here in this part. Here we will get all this value here. It's soil value, water level, temperature, humidity, and here we included different features for our solar tracking system. On that case we can on or off this relay to control this solar panel rotation manually. So in this part we included two LDR, one for this side and another for this side. It's our automatic condition is activated, and you see that our solar is moving this side because our light is here. And if we change the position of our light in this part, and then you will see that our solar panel will be rotate automatically. White side is more light, and this will be work automatically whole days. So you see that our solar tracking system is working here properly. And another one options is added here, it's inverter side. It's a manual switch. When we will turn on this manual switch, at that moment our this AC load will be turned on. You see here that our AC load, it's a 5-watt AC bulb and it's on now. So this full operation will be monitoring from this blink app, and also we will get or store this all data in our Google Sheet. So you said that our system is working here properly and our Google Sheet data is updating till now. In every 3 seconds, our data will be stored in our Google Sheet, and our Blink app will be updated in every half second. So our Blink app and our Google Sheet is working here properly. So this is the full operation of our project. So if you want to make this project, then you can contact with us. Our all details will be included in our description. So thanks again and Allah Hafiz.